On the Blend this morning, we have Sally Babbitt with us, attorney with Babbitt Legal Group. Good morning.
Morning. How are you guys?
Good.
Good.
All right, so many times you talk about estate planning, but does a retirement plan specifically have an effect on your estate plan?
That's a great question. Yes, it does. It has a huge impact because most people, their retirement plan is the biggest asset. Maybe some real estate, but usually it's their retirement plan. So we have to have that discussion because it greatly impacts their plan.
Well, how do those relate to each other?
In a few different ways, especially because the Secure 2.0 Act came in 2022. And it changes a lot of things for retirement plans, like how old you are before you have to take required minimum distributions. That age is going up.
Okay.
It also changes the length of time that you have to take 100% of the plan. It changes some of the payout requirements depending on who the beneficiary is, whether it's an individual, a trust, a rollover, a surviving spouse. So a lot of little technical details will really dictate how those plans are really going to end up paying out.
So what other types of plans might see some changes?
Well, the one I found interesting was a 529 educational plan. There are changes to that. And so a beneficiary, if they have an unused portion of that, they're going to be allowed to roll that over into a Roth IRA. And they're also changing in Secure 2.0, changing the way a retirement plan can pay out to a charity instead of an individual.
Okay.
How so?
So they're changing the requirements of timing, they're capping, how it's taxed, things like that.
What is the biggest thing you see people not doing before it's too late, when you've passed and you haven't done all the things to get your estate in order?
Yeah.
What's the biggest gaffe?
If you haven't tackled those retirement plans properly, you could end up either with that plan becoming a probate asset and passing differently than you expect, or you could end up with some tax ramifications if you didn't either use a trust or the wrong trust and things like that. It could be very costly.
And it's so confusing, and that's why we go to you and have you sort through it for us.
Thank you for making it easily understood.
Yeah.
Babbitt Legal Group, SallyBabbittLaw.com for more information.